Hello everyone, there's so much of cute hairstyles in this video. Apply some hair wax in the middle section of the hair and comb it and have a little ponytail on the top section of it. Then split them into two parts and have it braided in a thicker manner. So once when you do the braiding, have strips of hair borrowed from the middle section as well to make the ridges visible. Continue doing the braid until you empty every hair in that section and do the braiding as normal as you would do later on. Then after that, go to the other section of the ponytail and have it braided as well. But this time, borrow excessive hair from the back section. So continue doing it until you empty all the hair in that section and make the hair go in between the braid. Then braid as normal as you would do later on. Then secure the end with the rubber band. Then combine everything together with a thicker braid and fold the braid to half, decorate with your lovely hairband. Interconnected braids. Comb the middle section of the hair and separate the back section. In the middle section, make parts and have ponytails on each of them, making totally 5. Then split the middle one into 2 and have them braided. Do the same braiding on the other tails and crisscross the second one and the third one and the fourth and the fifth one. Then combine the middle one and also crisscross the cornered ones. Then have you decorate by lovely hair clutcher on top of the rubber band. Apply some hair wax in the middle section of the hair and comb it and have a portion of it a ponytail and braid it, and have another portion of it right below that another ponytail, and do the same ponytail with the portion right next to it and have it combined to each other. Combine everything into a braid and have it folded to the top and decorate your hairband. Apply some hair wax in the middle section of the hair, comb it and have it split them into 2 parts and have ponytails on each of them. Then split them into 3 parts and have it braided in a thicker manner. Secure the end with the rubber band and combine them with the back section of the hair and have it braided, fold it to the top and decorate with your hairband. Make a ponytail out of your gorgeous hair, split the tail into 2 parts and have a little thinner portion in the middle and have them interconnected each other by making a thicker braid. Do the braiding until you reach the top middle part and have it secure with a rubber band. Scrunch it to the top, making a lump and have it secured there by another rubber band. Then have a rubber band in the middle part, clear a loop in the middle one and drop the tail into it. Have the entire loop come around the lump you created, split the tail into 2 and have it hit another lump. Then drop in your favorite hair clutcher right underneath the bun. Then after that, another hair clutcher in the front section, making it secured. Apply some hair wax and make a lovely ponytail and secure a tail by dropping a lovely hairband around it. Then split the tail into 3 parts and have a little thinner portion in the middle. And how you should braid this, have a thicker portion and insert your finger into it and grab a little thin portion of that and move it to the left side by grabbing a thinner portion we already have secure on the right. Then continue doing it vice versa on the opposite side and do it until you reach the bottom middle part, and after that secure the end with the rubber band. Then clear a loop and drop the little thinner portion at the tips into the middle, making a bell shape, and secure that shape by dropping another rubber band. Then drop in your favorite hair clutcher on either side of the bottom section of the hair, decorating even more further. A twisted loop and braid. Apply some hair wax in the middle section of the hair and comb it and have a ponytail in the middle section. Do the same on the left and grab a strip of hair from the tail and have it combine them at the middle. Do the same one more time. Then after that, with the remaining tail we have at both sides, braid it and have it combined together with the tail we have at the bottom. Apply some hair wax and make a lovely ponytail. Interconnect colorful hair bands together and have the last one attached to the ponytail at the bottom. Make multiple loops out of it and continue doing it until you reach the bottom part. Then pinch out the hair in the middle section of the loops we created, making a lovely lump, and have a bell shape at the bottom and have it secure the last loop of the rubber band. Then attach a beautiful hair clutcher in the bottom section and one in the front as well. Thank you everyone for watching this video.